Ever wondered what kind of exercise would be good for your body and what would the effects of that exercise be? Or maybe you just want to try working out but are curious to know what kind of improvements this could bring to your health. Well, for today's video, we will discuss what happens if you do push-ups daily. Stick around until the end to learn about shocking results. Hi everyone and welcome to UpThink. Here at UpThink, we talk about tips and tricks that you can use in your everyday life. If these types of videos interest you, be sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos. Do you have a daily regimen for physical exercise? In order to enhance your physical fitness and observe significant transformations in your physique, it is essential to establish a fitness program that stimulates your muscles and fosters your stamina daily. Many individuals may believe they lack adequate time or vigor to accomplish their fitness objectives. Nonetheless, maintaining a fitness routine and the subsequent benefits do not necessitate a laborious or arduous endeavor as is often assumed. While you may observe individuals with robust and aesthetically pleasing physiques online or on television and presume they devoted countless hours to their workout regimen, that is not necessarily the case. Indeed, dedicating a few minutes each day to a single exercise can transform your physical form and contribute to your long-term fitness objectives. If you aspire to such a goal, if you are dissatisfied with your current state of health, or simply desire to enact a change, it may be time to explore this uncomplicated yet potent exercise that has positively impacted thousands of individuals worldwide. Although it may be a familiar exercise, push-ups have enabled individuals to finally attain their fitness goals after prolonged periods of frustration. As one of the most rudimentary forms of bodyweight resistance training, push-ups utilize your body's weight to enhance not only your upper body strength, but also your core, back, and leg muscles. What distinguishes push-ups from other exercise regimens is their accessibility. Push-ups are uncomplicated to learn and facile to excel at. They do not mandate any specialized equipment or necessitate a trip to the gym, coordination with a group, or attire of a specific nature. In truth, this is an exercise you can perform virtually anywhere in the presence of anyone and still reap the benefits of a comprehensive full-body workout in a mere matter of minutes. By engaging in a modest number of push-up sets each day, you can heighten your muscle definition, reduce unwanted body fat, and augment your physical stamina. Research conducted in 2019 by the JAMA Network revealed that even a solitary set of daily push-ups could ameliorate your cardiovascular health and lower the likelihood of cardiac episodes. Additionally, studies have demonstrated that push-ups can enhance the resilience of your joints, such as those located within the shoulder socket. In essence, push-ups have the capacity to effect significant alterations within your body, both internally and externally. Nevertheless, there is a caveat. This exercise is simple and can be performed without the use of any specialized equipment. Performing push-ups require minimal time and can be executed spontaneously without any prior preparation. However, it is vital to comprehend that achieving optimal results from daily push-ups is contingent upon performing them with precision and efficacy. In other words, accurately executing push-ups is fundamental to harnessing their full transformative potential. This entails adhering to proper form, engaging the appropriate muscle groups, and adjusting the intensity and frequency of the exercise to correspond with your individual fitness level. By employing these techniques, you can maximize the benefits of push-ups and attain the desired physical alterations that you seek. This is the precise juncture where a multitude of individuals falters. Rather than grasping the correct techniques, they hasten through these exercises, utilizing improper form, and ultimately fall short of reaching the pinnacle of physical fitness they aspire towards. With progress eluding them, they may become disheartened and eventually relinquish their daily exercise habits, leading to a lack of continuity in their fitness regimen. Thankfully, this need not be the inevitable outcome. With diligence and a steadfast commitment to your fitness journey, tangible advancements can manifest in a remarkably brief time frame. By sustaining a disciplined and motivated approach, you may witness significant alterations in your physique that surpass your initial expectations. However, this transformation can only transpire if you devote the necessary time and energy to understanding the nuances of a proper push-up. A paramount aspect of this pursuit is discerning from the most prevalent error that individuals commit during push-ups, which is most of the time a flawed form. A common mistake during a push-up is when individuals allow their back to arch or sag. This form places undue strain on the lower back and can lead to discomfort or injury. Another prevalent misstep is when the elbows are allowed to flare outwards, which places undue strain on the shoulders and can lead to shoulder pain. Additionally, individuals may not fully extend their arms during the upward phase of the push-up or fail to descend low enough during the downward phase, thereby failing to engage the chest, triceps, and shoulder muscles to their full potential. Begin the exercise by assuming a kneeling position with your feet close together. Then, shift your upper body forward into a high plank with your hands positioned flat on the ground and your elbows straight. When executing a standard push-up, keep your hands positioned approximately shoulder width apart and your physique as straight as possible. Tighten your abdominal muscles, keep your derriere lowered, and tense your spine to avoid unnecessary bending or arching. Subsequently, begin lowering your physique towards the ground while keeping it taut and your abs contracted. This is the point where the core workout aspect of push-up comes into play. Proper execution of this exercise turns each push-up into a total body workout. By flexing your core and maintaining a rigid back, continue to lower your body until either your chest or chin makes contact with the ground. As you lower yourself to the ground, you might notice your elbows feeling like they're burning out, but do not worry. Let your arms comfortably bend as you descend towards the floor, and when your chest or chin reaches the ground, push upwards with your chest and arms in a steady and controlled motion. Once your arms have fully extended, return to the plank position, and when you think you can go again, begin the next push-up by lowering your body again. Regardless of the number of push-ups you plan to do, it is crucial to maintain a steady pace while moving up and down. Speeding through a push-up exercise can have negative effects on your body and hinder your progress toward achieving your fitness goals. It is common to feel tempted to rush through a workout as it may feel like you're getting more tired and burning more calories. However, a faster workout is rarely ever an efficient workout. If you speed through your push-ups, you risk sacrificing proper form, which can lead to injury and prevent you from getting the full benefits of the exercise. Additionally, you may not be engaging the right muscles and not getting the same level of core and full body workout as you would with a slower and controlled pace. It is important to prioritize form and consistency over speed to achieve maximum results and avoid potential harm. By adhering to these suggestions, you can perform push-ups with impeccable form while minimizing the risk of straining or hurting your body. Nevertheless, one crucial query remains. Performing a single push-up is insufficient to enhance your physical condition and transform your physique. So let us move on to the optimal number of push-ups one should perform each day to attain the desired full body results. Commonly, a good starting point is to perform 3 sets of 10 push-ups in a row with short breaks and arm stretches between sets. Focusing on the correct form and technique while performing each repetition is essential to get the best results. The whole routine should take at most 5 to 10 minutes. It might sound too good to be true, but spending this short amount of time every day on push-ups can genuinely make a difference in your overall fitness and body transformation. By requiring no setup, the perfect push-up is an accessible workout for anyone, regardless of how fatigued or busy they may be. With just 5 to 10 minutes needed for this daily routine, you will be able to maintain it without much effort. As you continue, you will gain confidence and strength, eventually building on your initial 3 sets of 10 push-ups. To increase the intensity of your workout, try adding 3 to 5 push-ups daily until you find a comfortable yet challenging number. Once you do, this number can serve as your new baseline for the perfect push-up routine. Alternatively, if completing 3 sets of 10 push-ups is too demanding and results in excessive soreness or fatigue, it may be beneficial to decrease your daily volume. An effective approach is to begin with 10 modified push-ups where the knees are placed on the ground to provide additional support. It is important to keep in mind that performing 10 slow and perfect push-ups, even with slight changes, is far more advantageous than completing 20 hasty and sloppy ones. It is either executing them with the proper form or not doing them at all. Unfortunately, solely doing standard push-ups may lead to plateauing, a point where your muscles no longer derive the same benefits. The body adapts and progresses until the exercise no longer provides the same level of challenge. It is important to tweak your posture and form slightly to engage new muscle groups to prevent plateauing. Although the traditional push-up we discussed is an excellent exercise for developing upper body strength and targeting the triceps, pecs, shoulders, lower back, and core, it fails to engage some muscle groups. Therefore, adding variations to your push-up routine like incline push-ups, decline push-ups, diamond push-ups, or staggered push-ups can work new muscles and help you break through plateaus. It is also important to remember that push-ups should be combined with other exercises that target different muscle groups and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts over time. To activate these neglected muscles, incorporate various push-up variations that will challenge your body in distinct ways. For instance, to execute wide push-ups, place your hands farther than your shoulder width apart, providing less direct support underneath your body. Incorporating diverse push-up variations into your daily routine is vital to engage all your essential muscle groups. One such effective variation is the reverse push-up, where your hands are positioned around 10 to 20 centimeters behind your shoulders, causing you to lean forward slightly. Another option is the leg abduction push-up, where you balance on one foot in high plank and move your leg slightly beyond the width of your hips. As you raise and lower your body, keep your leg in the air to work on your stability. In order to vary your workout routine and challenge your body, you can try different push-up variations on different days of the week. By maintaining a consistent routine and incorporating diverse variations, you can achieve your fitness goals and transform your body with a single exercise. As you begin to notice visible improvements, your self-assurance and enthusiasm will increase. The visible progress you make will inspire you to strive for more and explore other forms of physical fitness. However, if you desire to witness outcomes rapidly, start performing push-ups every day. With diligence and regularity, you will be astonished at how swiftly your body transforms. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you were able to take something from this video or even satisfy a little of your curiosity. If you did enjoy or learn something, let us know by leaving a like and commenting down below. We love reading your comments always. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more educational content. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.